suspects and even tried a clean boot, let's dive into some less common fixes for Roblox crashing on Windows. 1. Check for conflicting antivirus or security software. Antivirus or security software can sometimes interfere with Roblox. Temporarily disable your antivirus or security software only while testing Roblox. If Roblox runs smoothly, you might need to add Roblox as an exception to your security software or find a different antivirus that doesn't conflict. Remember to re-enable your antivirus software after testing. 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes in games like Roblox. Use a driver updater tool or head directly to your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, to download and install the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. 3. Check for Windows updates. Running an outdated version of Windows can lead to compatibility issues. Make sure you have all the latest Windows updates installed. Here's how to check. Press Windows key +I to open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC if prompted. 4. Inspect for conflicting background applications. Even after a clean boot, some programs might still be running in the background and causing issues. Here's how to identify them. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Sort by CPU or memory usage to see which programs are consuming the most resources. If you see any suspicious applications you don't recognize, right-click and select End Task. 5. Report the issue to Roblox support. If none of these solutions work, it's time to bring in the big guns. Report the issue directly to Roblox support. Provide them with as much detail as possible, including the exact error message, if any, troubleshooting steps you've already tried, and your system specifications. They might have identified solutions for specific crashes or be able to investigate the issue further. By following these steps and working with Roblox support if needed, you should hopefully be able to fix the Roblox crashes and get back to playing.